Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Seriously, you guys, I just found the most stunning kitchen and I am obsessed. This is peak design. We're talking modern Tudor meets organic drama, and honestly, it's a game changer. The vibe? Think moody, luxe, and totally high-end. Everything is wrapped in this rich, dark charcoal wood. It's not just black, it's like a sophisticated, deep espresso oak, you know? It's giving major drama, but in the best way possible. Look up. They kept the ceiling white, but added these massive dark wood beams. I'm estimating the ceiling height is close to 10 feet, which makes the whole space feel huge and airy, despite the dark cabinets. And the island? Oh my gosh, the island. It's this massive centerpiece, easily 7 feet long by 4 feet wide, all matte black stone. Perfect for spreading out while you're prepping or just sipping wine with friends. What truly elevates this space is the brass. It's sprinkled everywhere. The cabinet pulls, the gorgeous faucet, even the pot filler over the stove. It's that perfect pop of gold against the dark wood. And can we talk about that custom range hood? It's sculpted metal with brass strapping. It makes the whole kitchen feel like a piece of art. Often when people go this dark, they worry it'll feel cramped or heavy, but not here. They solved that whole problem with this massive 8-foot wide window that just floods the space with natural light, keeping everything super fresh and inviting. This is the definition of a dream home kitchen, right? This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me?